It's about 6:30 in the morning. We've started on the Hanging Lake Trail in Glenwood Canyon. You have to have a time permit to do this hike. You have to go online and buy a ticket and then be there at a certain time. And then you get a 3-hour window to do the hike because it's extremely busy. Anyway, so we got the early one, 6:30, because it's been warming up very hot during the day. And here we go. So this definitely is not an easy hike. You have to climb up 1,000 feet of elevation, and it's just pretty much straight up the whole way. Very rocky too. You're constantly stepping up on steps. So, not an easy hike, but a beautiful one. At the end of the hike, you're rewarded with this idyllic lake scene with waterfalls. It almost seems out of place, like some kind of Japanese serenity garden, smack dab in the middle of a high desert, dry canyonlands environment. On the way back down, we branched off on another short trail that led to a waterfall named Spouting Rock. This place was cool because you could walk behind the waterfall. By this time it was late morning and the sun was lighting up the canyon walls for spectacular views. This was the highlight of the hike for me. Know about this hike is there's a lot of people. Even though there's that time entry thing, there's still a lot of people, and they're aggressive. They'll get in front of your pictures, and you want a picture and they'll want a picture, and you can feel them breathing down your neck and stuff. And you just have to come with that expectation before you get here, and then it'll be easier because you just know that's going to happen, you know, because otherwise it can ruin your trip. I've caught myself a couple times getting frustrated, and you just have to psych yourself up for it before you get here. There's a lot of people, but it's still worth it and it's still very beautiful. You just have to be prepared. Oh boy, that was rough. We're a couple of flatlanders from Florida.
Very steep, lots of steps, lots of big steps.
1,000 feet elevation gain in 1.5 miles. 1.2 miles, and a lot of rocks. They don't call it the Rocky Mountains for nothing. A lot of rocks and steps that are like 2 feet high that you're climbing up. So we're gonna visit the hot tubs tonight, I think. Maybe some Bengay usage, but still very beautiful, nice introductory hike to our new Colorado life.
Yep.